Every parent dreams of giving their child the best future. And today, studying abroad offers opportunities that can shape careers globally. With excitement comes confusion. Which country is right? Is the budget manageable? How to keep your child safe? In this video, let's break down how parents can confidently support their child's study abroad journey. The first step is not choosing the country. It's understanding your child's goals. Ask simple questions. What do you want to study? What kind of work excites you? Do you prefer research, business, technology, or creative fields? When parents listen without pressure, children gain confidence to explore their real interests. Every country has strengths. For example, Canada, PR pathways and affordable education. UK, one-year master's programs. USA, top universities and research. Australia, strong job market. Germany, low tuition and engineering excellence. Instead of following trends, explore what aligns with your child's subject choice, job prospects, and long-term goals. Studying abroad can be expensive, but smart planning can reduce the burden. Parents should explore education loans, scholarships, country-wise affordability, part-time work options. Some countries allow students to work 20 to 40 hours a week, helping them manage living costs and gain experience. Your child's safety matters. Research, campus safety ratings, availability of Indian communities, climate, cost of living, social environment. Choosing a country where your child feels mentally and emotionally supported is just as important as academics. Parents can support the application process by ensuring documents are complete. Passport, transcripts, SOP, LORs, financial proofs, language test scores. A structured approach reduces stress and improves visa approval chances. Studying abroad teaches confidence, responsibility, and independence. As parents, your emotional support makes the transition smoother. Check in regularly, guide gently, but trust their ability to grow. Your support as a parent can shape your child's future more than any university can. With the right guidance, research, and planning, the dream of studying abroad becomes a safe and successful reality.